So I'm on site today with Justin from Brick Right, and we're going to try out the bully grip. Cheers, Jim. Tyler's Tools. Happy days. Right, let's try the bully grip. It does actually pick up 220 pounds in weight. That's loads. Right, give it a whirl then, Just. Done. What do you reckon of that then, mate?
Really good bit of kit, lightweight, comes in a really nice carrying case, which I really like.
Fair play.
Quick, easy, lightweight, simple, does the job very well.
Happy campers. Cheers, Tyler's Tools, for sending this over. Much appreciated. Another great tool. Tidy. So this is a 600 by 600. It's got a slight ribbon in it. Works like a treat. So now we've got a 600 by 900. And works like a treat. Proper tidy. So cheers, Tyler's Tools and Bully Grip for that. I'll let Justin continue. Nice little tool for him. Much appreciated. Thanks, guys. Tidy. Cheers.